Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. How colors make the world come alive. Let's jump into a rainbow of fun and explore the magic they bring to everything around us.
Look! Saro! That butterfly is so colorful. Its wings are black and yellow. I wish I could catch those colors and keep them forever.
Well, who says you can't? How about a fun challenge? Let's color some of the items we see around us. Whoever makes the most colorful picture wins a special treat.
A treat? What kind of treat, Mama?
You'll have to wait and see. But first, let me start you off with something simple. Here's your first task. Color this tree to match the ones around us. What colors do we need?
Green for the leaves. And brown for the trunk.
Perfect. Now let's see who can color it faster and neater.
Oops. My tree trunk is wobbly now.
That's okay. Nature isn't always perfect. But let's try to keep it neat.
Look, Mama! My tree has the tallest trunk ever. And my tree has extra green leaves. It's the fluffiest one here.
Both of your trees are amazing. You just completed the first step of coloring, matching real-life colors. Great job, girls. Now, I have a fun twist for you. Let's color some flowers. These flowers aren't just one color. Let's use blending to make them look magical.
Blending? What's that?
Blending is when you mix two or more colors to make something look more realistic or vibrant. For example, let's take this sunflower. Start with yellow for the petals, but add a little orange near the center to make them glow.
I want to try blending purple and green for my tulip. And I'm going to draw Daisy. I'll use yellow, red, and green.
That's beautiful, Saro. And Mina, your blending looks fantastic. When you use blending, you add depth and detail, making your colors pop even more.
Hey! Belle wants to join our coloring party.
Now it's the time for quiz. What color is an apple most often? Option A, blue. Option B, red. Option B is correct, which shows red color. Which of these items is usually the color of the sun? Option A, yellow. Option B, green. Excellent. Option A is correct. The sun often shines brightly in a color like gold or yellow. Which of these items is usually the color of grass? Option A, a green tree. Option B, a red strawberry. Good job! Option A is correct. Grass is a common plant that is green, especially during spring. Bananas are usually yellow. Is this statement true or false? Perfect. This statement is true. The sky is often the color yellow. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is false. Good job, kids. Next time, we'll explore the world of primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Get ready to paint your day with fun and excitement.